You are asked the question a lot, where do you see yourself in the future? Graduate medical education in pediatrics, whether residency or fellowship, is the foundation of your professional identity. It's where you launch your career. The University of Miami-Jackson Health System jointly hosts the largest pediatric training site in Florida, with more than 130 house officers among the 1,100 trainees in the system. The program's clinical hub is Holtz Children's Hospital at Jackson Memorial, a unique primary, tertiary, quaternary pediatric facility serving South Florida's multi-ethnic community, as well as regional and international referrals. Jackson is owned by its community's taxpayers and serves as a safety net for Miami-Dade County's 2.7 million residents. The health system was founded in 1918 and has prided itself on providing a single high standard of care for more than 100 years. Since 1952, Jackson has partnered with the Leonard M. Miller School of Medicine at the University of Miami. UM, or the U, a private research university and institution of higher learning, is preparing for its own centennial in 2025. The Miller School of Medicine is a member of the nation's top 50 research universities and ranks #1 in NIH awards among all Florida medical schools. The medical campus near downtown Miami is one of the largest in the United States. In addition to Holtz Children's and Jackson's flagship adult facility, Jackson Memorial Hospital, the campus is home to the Batchelor Children's Research Institute, headquarters for pediatric basic science research and subspecialty clinical care, the Mailman Center for Child Development, home of comprehensive outpatient pediatric services like Early Steps, the Sylvester Comprehensive Cancer Center, South Florida's only National Cancer Institute designated cancer center, and its pediatric ambulatory annex, Alex's Place, where children with cancer, sickle cell disease, and other blood disorders are cared for. The Diabetes Research Institute, one of the largest and most comprehensive research centers dedicated to curing diabetes. The Bascom-Palmer Eye Institute, the #1 eye hospital in the nation for 20 consecutive years. The Ryder Trauma Center, a self-contained trauma hospital serving the entire county, where children are triaged and stabilized before transfer to Holtz. The Miami Transplant Institute, an exclusive partnership between the University of Miami and the Jackson Health System for transplantation science and clinical care. In 2019, the Miami Transplant Institute performed more solid organ transplants than any other hospital, breaking every previous American record for transplants performed in a year. And the Christine E. Lynn Rehabilitation Center, which opened in 2020 as the country's newest and most sophisticated destination for advanced rehab from spinal injuries, traumatic brain injuries, stroke, cancer, and other complex conditions. But the care of children and the opportunity to learn extend far beyond the boundary of the medical campus. The Pediatric Mobile Clinic regularly visits sites all over South Florida, bringing medical care and pediatric expertise to underserved communities. One of the sites the van visits regularly is the Center for Haitian Studies, a health and social service organization founded in 1988 for the purpose of serving the disenfranchised population of Little Haiti, Little River in Miami, Florida. The Department of Pediatrics has a contract with Miami-Dade Public Schools, where trainees staff clinics and offer primary care for middle and high schoolers. The department has 2 pediatric practices in the community, both sites for resident continuity clinic, one on the medical campus in the Professional Arts Building and one in Kendall, a Miami suburb. The department also operates general pediatric and subspecialty outpatient clinics in the medical center's ambulatory care center. Our programs and facilities mirror the global diverse flavor of Miami in patient population, faculty, staff, residents, fellows, and students, making it rich in cultural diversity and international exposure. We are fortunate to attract outstanding trainees from all over the United States and abroad. And your time during training is about more than the hospital and the clinic. It's about the experiences, the social landscape, the local communities, the food, the sports. It's about making new friends and learning different cultures. South Florida and Miami, gateway to the Caribbean and Central and South America, have all this to offer. The Department of Pediatrics has more than 130 full-time faculty, making the ratio of faculty to house officers 1-to-1. Faculty and trainees collaborate on research, quality improvement, clinical care, advocacy, and community health. But the faculty are more than just collaborators and professors. They are teachers, mentors, advisors, coaches, all committed to maintaining the best possible learning environment. It's a learning environment that is challenging yet nurturing. It's all here: a multi-ethnic, multicultural patient population, a diverse group of talented colleagues, co-workers, supervisors, and teachers, a global university in a global city, a state-of-the-art academic medical center and research institution, a bustling training locale, but a program that feels like family, all in a vibrant tropical setting. Everything you need to launch your career. You've achieved so much. You've chosen your career path, you're poised, you're ready, you're excited. So where do you see yourself in the future? The University of Miami Jackson Health System graduate programs in pediatrics. See yourself here.